Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this yummy and crispy fish cutlet, a perfect evening snack. So let's get it started. Here I have taken 5 pieces of fish that I have boiled and deboned. I have taken the sides off, the black side that is there in a fish, and kept it aside. Now here I have taken 3 boiled potatoes. Here I have taken a tablespoon of oil that is quite hot. To that we'll add some chopped garlic, 2 garlic cloves, saute it for about a minute. We are not looking for any color. Then we'll add some chopped onions and chilies. You can skip the chilies if you have kids at home. Cook the onions and the chilies for about a minute or two, and we'll add some salt to taste, some turmeric powder, some chili powder, some roasted Zeera powder, Bengali Bhaja Masala. I will give you the description of what are the spices that is needed to make the Bhaja Masala, and I've added some garam masala. We'll cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and some ginger paste, half a teaspoon. Mix everything together and cook it for about 30 seconds or a minute. And finally we'll add the boiled fish that is properly cleaned. Make sure you do not have any water. Squeeze the water out once you boil the fish and debone it. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे हम, and we'll cook it, and we'll add the boiled potatoes. We'll make sure that it's well combined with the fish and the spices that we have added. Make sure that there is no lump. Finally we'll add some fresh coriander, chopped. Mix that very well and it's ready. Now we'll transfer that onto a plate. Make sure it comes to a room temperature. I'm just spreading it out a little bit to help it cool down. It's all cold now, so I'll shape it up. You can shape up just the way you fancy. Here I'm using a teardrop shape. Very easy. So it's ready. You can see I have shaped up the cutlets. Now here I have an egg which I'll whisk and some breadcrumbs. Now I did not bother to season the egg and the breadcrumb. You can if you wish. Now we'll dip the cutlets in the egg and then we'll coat it with the breadcrumbs. After coating it, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in the freezer to use it later. My cutlets are ready to be fried, so we'll fry it. I'm shallow frying the cutlets. You can deep fry or air fry it. So here is some oil that is hot enough. We'll add the cutlets and fry it over medium-high heat until glorious golden brown in color. Make sure the sides are done too. cutlets are ready. We'll bring it out on a kitchen towel. I'll cut open one for you. It's amazing. It's soft and juicy on the inside and crispy and crunchy on the outside. You can serve this with your favorite chutney or ketchup. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.